No, but it evolved. It didn't stay the same, but it evolved.
Yes.
But it still had that seed, that core, diba?
Now that you have reminded me of that, yung talagang dream ko mapasama sa boys night.
Hi, Langga.
This is Jarrett.
And this is Apple.
Welcome to the Langga Speaks podcast.
Join our beloved conversations
about God's love and joy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Langga Speaks podcast.
Hello everyone, thank you for your patience this week. Sorry to our regular listeners, our regular Langga, that we were delayed in our publishing, but thank you for your patience, thank you for your support, thank you for your understanding.
Actually, we are discerning if we should publish weekly on a Monday. Because when we started this podcast, we had Friday and Saturday as our day off, as our weekend.
True.
But then the whole country shifted to a Saturday, Sunday
Ang
weekend.
tanong, kailan sila nag-shift? Last year, January 1, 2021.
Oo nga.
Ay,
Hindi, wala.
2022.
Iniisip ko lang. Iniisip lang ako na excuse.
Hindi, pero sa totoo lang, maybe, what if no, we shifted to a
Pero
Monday?
pwede lang naman. Okay lang,
Oo
sige,
naman.
Sunday na natin para kami na mag-adjust. Maraming salamat mga langga sa mga nagdasal. It's medyo naging malamig na talaga yung weather. So yung mga boses namin, it's a sniffle full of weak allergy-based decisions were made.
Grabe, allergy-based decisions.
Di ba?
Ano yung mga life-changing decision?
Nagsasalita na ako ng mga bagay na hindi mo maintindihan dahil
Katulad ng?
parang, ganun ako
Oo
magsalita.
nga. Nung isang araw,
lasing na sa antihistamine.
nung isang gabi, uminom siya ng antihistamine. Tapos late kami umuwi dahil whole day siya sa isang event sa Trade Center. Tapos sa gabing yun,
World of
midnight
Coffee.
World of Coffee.
Ah,
Tapos
okay.
midnight pa kami nakauwi dahil because of the house blessing of our family friend and our sister and our brother-in-law. So midnight na kami nakauwi, and instead of going home, dun pa rin kami natulog sa bahay ng isang kapatid ko.
Oo.
So sobrang, I don't know, nag-kick in na talaga yung antihistamine. Sabi ko lang, kailangan mo ba natulong?
Sobrang groggy ko. Combined with caffeine siguro ng iba't ibang origin from Ethiopia, Honduras, Brazil,
True.
Guatemala.
As in, kinakausap ko siya, quote unquote, my friends. Sabi ko, langga, okay ka lang. Sabi ko, no?
And then nagkasakit nga yung mga bata.
Oo.
Last night was a feverish day. So
Last night, feverish day. Ano ba talaga?
the whole day. Kita mo, kumikick in pa rin yung Telfast.
Telfa sponsor, hindi siguro. Pero yeah, thank you then for the prayers. If you've noticed our voices being ngongo, that's just a change of weather.
Yes.
It's just how it is. Sabi nga ng weather forecast, over the next 10 days, it will be getting even more colder.
Even more na, colder pa.
Oh, even more colder.
Wow.
Tama naman yung grammar
So,
ko.
ibig sabihin, colderer.
Eto na naman tayo. Colder rest.
Anyway, today's topic is about, of course, January pa rin naman. So, pag-usapan natin yung paano natin makikip yung dreams alive. Especially kung uncertain yung panahon.
I was gonna think of two songs. Love will keep us, or dreaming
Dreaming.
of you tonight.
Iba pala yung kanta niya. Hindi kasi naisip ko lang langga na okay. Pwede na po? Okay na. Happy na po?
Happy na po. Kailangan kasi matatapusin yung linya na yun.
Hindi, iniisip ko lang kasi na sakto tong topic na to kasi nung nagbigay ako ng talk last feast, we were talking about resolutions. And when we talk about resolutions, we always think about what I will do in the next 365 days. But the reality on how our faith sees resolutions, it's also a reflection of the past. Was I kinder last year? What were the dreams that didn't happen? Why didn't it happen? Ano yung dapat kong gawin ngayon? Yun yung resolution.
Anong naging reaction mo? Ganun.
Oo, hindi lang siya forward-looking, but rather, in retrospect, tinitingnan mo rin, it's an examen of the whole year. So sabi ko, okay to, kasi pwede natin pag-usapan on how to keep dreaming with your langga. In times na hindi certain. Hindi yan yun.
Tonight naman, dreaming with you. Hindi ba pwede?
Okay. Oo, sige na. Simulan mo. Paano
Hindi ko alam
natin
yung
simulan?
lyrics. So about dreaming with your langga.
Of course. Ay, importante yung mangarap, mga langga. Dreaming is very important kahit wala kang langga. Ang pagkakaroon ng pangarap, importante yan because it helps us anchor in life.
Truth.
Magkaroon tayo ng anchor when things in our world is out of our control. Especially now, tas-tas ng onion. Di ba out of control ang presyo? Katulad din, hindi mo alam kung meron ka pang igigisa tomorrow. Kasi ang mahal na ng sibuyas.
Oo.
Di ba? Or nagluluha ka ngayon.
Kasi
namimiss mo na maghiwa ng sibuyas. Namimiss mo na mag-emote habang naggagayat ng sibuyas. Diba? So, when our world is out of control, binibigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng kakayanan upang mangarap so that we can center ourselves on the plan that God has for us.
Truth. And also, it also allows a reason for the spouse, especially if you have a langga and you're listening to this. Dreaming together also creates a new, or rather strengthens your bond together as a couple.
Oh, right? There's something to look forward to.
Exactly.
Meron kayong pag-uusapan, pagpaplanuhan, pag-aawayan.
True.
Diba?
And to pray together for.
Yun ang pinaka-importante. Yung ipagdadasal nyo together, yung pangarap nyo.
But despite all of the chaos and the
Wait lang. Kasi feeling ko ako lang nagdadasal sa mga pangarap.
Kasi hindi ko maintindihan.
Pero parang lakas-lakas ko kay Lord kasi narinig naman yung mga panalangin ko.
Oo nga eh.
Diba?
Foam pa more.
Feeling ko dinadaan niya sa dreams mo. Ikaw ba si Tara the Dreamer?
Dreaming of you tonight. But you know what, mga langga? Despite the chaos, despite the ups and downs of onion prices, you might be wondering, how would you be able to stay focused on the dreams that you have for yourself, the dreams that you have for others, or the dreams that you share together? That's what this episode is about. And we're thankful to our Ninong and Ninang.
Of course, again,
Dr.
sa
Les.
ating mga Simbis mentors.
Yes.
For this inspiration.
Yes, Les and Leslie Parrott, where they discuss 3 ways or 3 ways on how you as a couple or
can dream together.
Or even if you're an individual and you still don't have a langga yet, but maybe you can be able to kind of keep this in mind, that when you enter into a relationship as well, that can also be part of how you would be able to live out your relationship.
Kasi struggle din namin to nila Apple earlier in our marriage na meron kami mga bagay na nangangarap kami. Tapos may darating na problema, sasabihin namin, may karapatan ba tayo mangarap ng ganito kalaki? Kung itong simpleng bagay na problema, hindi pa natin ma-solve.
And the problem of entering into that downward spiral is that you start losing the desire to dream again.
And you lose the perspective too. That even as an individual, minsan iniisip natin, bakit pa ako magre-resolutions? Bakit pa ako mag-theme? Bakit pa ako mag-goal planning this year? Ang layo-layo ko pa sa pangarap ko. But then you ask yourself, okay, malayo ka. Pero you also have to remember, malayo na ang narating mo.
Exactly.
You have progressed already if you look back.
Of what you've achieved
already.
Of where you've come from.
Yeah, the Lord is not concerned about the katuparan of our dreams.
The katuparan of our dreams. Diba? The achievement of our dreams.
He is more concerned on the process of us achieving those dreams. What person do we become?
The state of your heart, the character.
Oo.
Right?
What person do we become in that journey?
True. So yun. So join us mga nang this episode as we go through those 3 ways. Okay? Number one, revisit old activities, pastimes, or talents you abandoned.
So,
dito na lumalabas yung star magic ni Jet. Pabalik ka pa ba sa audition ng PBB?
Grabe ka. Hindi yan ang Pasko. Ang past natin ay jump rope.
Aray. May mga nakikinig dito at alam nila yung mga pinagdaanan mo dyan sa jump rope na yan. Alam din ng mga iba yung pinagdaanan ko sa mga jump rope na yan.
No, diba? Sige, oftentimes we let go of our talents, yung mga passions natin that make us happy. Because life happens. Nag-asawa ka, nagkaanak ka, di mo na pwedeng ituloy yung mga pangarap mo dati. Hindi na kasi bagay. Kasi kunyari, yung ano mo, hobby mo before, bungee jumping.
Oh.
Meron ka ng asawa at may anak ka na.
Your risk tolerance came.
Exactly. So may mga ganung o kaya meron ka dating kino-collect, di ba? Collection mo dati.
Mga Coke cans ni Jeric.
Dati Coke cans ko. So,
tapos na-realize niya sumasabog din. One time umuwi kami, sabi namin, ano nangyari dito? Naglinis pa kami kasi nasabog yung
Sumabog pa, nagpe-pressurize pala.
Totoo.
Anyway, of course, we have to reignite your love of a specific pastime. Kasi ito rin yung makakatulong, baka, ito yung makatulong sa inyong dalawa to keep your dreams alive or to inspire you to have newer dreams.
Or sometimes, reigniting an old dream can help us parang insert new life sa perspective natin sa buhay. It can give us fuel to hope again.
Amen.
For the future as individuals or as a couple, diba?
Share lang natin, sorry to cut you there. Yung podcast, diba? Na-reignite to Dream ko to dati na magsalita in front of a mic.
Kasi
pero tinago ko dati.
Kasi yung yung original dream ni Jeric is to become a VJ? VJ ba tama? Or DJ?
Basta, working on radio siguro.
Sa radio DJ si
siguro
Jeric
hindi
dati.
lang yung mga AM show kasi hindi ko kayang gumising na maganda. Hindi ko kayang gumising ng mga mga 4 AM. Maganda. Hindi ako papasa sa Radio Veritas
Kasi?
Kasi napakaaga nung mga shift na mga...
Tsaka, di ba sa Radio Veritas, hindi mo sila nagaganon?
Pero, kung ako ilalagay nila doon, sabi ko, magandang balita ayon kay San Marcos.
Uwiwin ng mga lolo't lolo dyan. Grabe
at least gising naman sila,
diba? Masyak naman sila. Hindi naman sila makakadasal.
Papuri sa Diyos sa kaitaasan. At sa lupa'y kapayapaan sa mga taong kinalulugdan niya. Mike Enriquez yung boses. Makakaloka. Anyway, sorry.
Sorry po sa mga regular na nakikinig sa Radio Veritas. Please do not make sumbong my husband. Okay? So, yun. So, it was because of his dream before that had a seed. And then, nag-blossom na lang siya nung pandemya. And instead of becoming a radio DJ for Radio Veritas, naging podcast. No, but it evolved. It didn't stay the same, but it evolved.
Yes.
But it still had that seed, that core, diba?
Now that you have reminded me of that, yung talagang dream ko mapasama sa Boys Night Out. Kasi sa Magic 89.9 ng paggabi na, nag-uusap sila ng mga ganito, para kalokohan lang.
Boys Night Out?
Boys Night Out yung
yun?
Boys Night Out.
It's a radio
Boys
show.
Night Out ba tawag doon? Oo, basta sila, Sam YG, puro bastos yung binabasa nila yung story ng mga listeners nila. Tapos pinag-uusapan nila. Wala na, natutuwa lang. Pwede pala yan. Kasi wala pa masyadong podcast. Hindi ko pa alam.
Wala naman masyadong podcast nung time yun, di ba?
Meron na siguro. Pero, alam mo yun,
yung mga
hindi pa mainstream.
Tsaka hindi na-download pa ata yun kasi sa speed
sa Apple,
na.
Sa Apple. So, yun yung parang sabi ko, sana masama ako dyan. So, huwag kayo makikinig ng mga langga. Sige na nga, makinig na. Para may idea kayo. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa nun. Parang wala na.
I don't even know that.
I mean Sam YG is also podcasting already. So
I don't even know that.
Anyway,
so I'm not really
we have to, mga langga, back to the topic, considering yung mga abandoned dreams natin from the past, whether those dreams might fit back. Kasi minsan isipin mo, bagay pa ba to? I-explore natin yung possibilities, di ba? I mean, it can never, katulad nun sa ngayon, sa kape. Ba't puro ako yung may...
Ikaw lang nagde-dream? Or
siguro lang sa'yo, I think you have to rediscover back yung pagsusulat mo. Kasi pastime mo dati yun
Pastime ko yun dati kasi...
Nagbablog ka nun
Kasi...
Blogger ka nun
Blogger ako nun kasi may time ako sa office.
Oh.
Ngayon...
Shoutout sa mga past employers ito, hindi nagtatrabaho, nagbablog.
Kaso ngayon, hindi tayo may laptop, may nanay.
I think naman it translated to the podcast.
Nailabas. Nailabas ko na lang siya doon. Na-redirect siya.
Kaya pala ko yung gumagawa ng scripts ng mga episode natin.
ikaw pa rin yun.
Baka this year gusto mong gawin. Anyway, sorry po, tawa tayo sa episode na to. Again, mga langga, explore your possibilities. Pag-usapan yung maglangga. Kasi hindi naman porket hindi nyo na ginagawa. Baka ito nga yung maging susi para mas madipin yung relationship nyo. Kasi shared activity, for example, sa akin, sa mga lalaki, no? Sa akin mga lalaki. Lord. Sa mga lalaki, di ba? Importante sa amin yan. So, kailangan explore natin. Baka may mga past activities kayo na nahihiya kang i-share sa spouse mo. Langga, actually, king of ballroom ako nun eh. O, diba? O, tapos, ayaw mong i-share. Yung pala, yun lang hinihintay ng misis mo. Dati pala yung misis mo, cha-cha queen pala.
Samahan mo na ako sa Sasha class.
Dati nagsasa class din ako dati. Pero ngayon, ang prefer ko lang talaga yung Mexican salsa.
Shout out Machu Papi. Diba? Freakas man dyan, diba? Or maybe there's a sport, diba? Baka jump rope, baka bumalik din yung jump rope, diba? You'd like to begin training again. Ako naman, actually, nag-uusap kami ni May nung isang araw, yung kapatid ko. So, pinag-uusapan namin yung wall Pilates. Pilates. Yeah. Because we were just talking about how, once you hit 30, parang dati kasi kahit pa paano nagsistretch pa ako, regular ako mag-ganon. Tapos biglang nung lumabas na yung pangalawa natin, yung bunso natin, medyo nahirapan din ako na maghanap ng schedule because there's work plus the children, ganyan. Tapos sabi namin ni May, na after we turn 30, parang napansin namin yung mga joints namin hindi na ganun ka
so, anong tawag
flexible. Dyan? Wall Pilates.
Wall Pilates.
Yeah.
So, ako parang feeling ko, ginagawa ko naman yan.
Talaga?
Oo. Ako si Poncio Pilares. Kasi ang galing-galing ko maghugas ng kamay. Ako taga-dishwash dito sa bahay na to eh. So, I think I can pass that. I mean, that's not my past activity. It's my present.
Hindi ko na alam. Hindi na talaga alam.
Pwede rin mga langga. Pwede rin yung past is maybe a career path. Or
maybe career path. Maybe it's not personal. Baka career-wise, you might want to pursue further education. Yung mga iba, bumabalik sa school, nagma-masters, or maybe they're finishing school kasi hindi sila nakapagtapos.
Exactly.
Or, they had to take a break in studying because of the circumstances of their life. And maybe this could be a reason for you as a spouse, an opportunity for you to encourage your spouse to dream again.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes. Kaya ako talagang I keep my dream alive eh. Talagang salamat sa langga ko for financing the dream. Anyway, yun yung mga langga. That's number one. You have to revisit old activities, pastimes, or talents that you have abandoned. Pag-usapan nyo, rediscover. It's a part of you discovering each other as well.
Baka na-miss din natin yung pagkanto.
No.
Kaya dinadaan na lang namin sa podcast, yung pagkanta, di ba?
Hindi kasi talagang past life ko yan eh. Yung pagsali sa tawag ng tangalan.
Hindi. Pinoy Big Brother ka, di ba? Or tawag ng tangalan din?
Hindi.
Nag-audition ka din doon?
Joke lang. Hindi naman ako ganun kakapal. Slight lang.
Aminin mo naman kasi sa mga langga, nag-audition ka naman dati.
No, I mean, I really am before pa into performing arts. Wow, performing sa Taray. Hindi ko alam yung sa kung sino yung mga director ng Encanto.
Lin-Manuel Miranda.
Basta, hindi ko kilala yan si Mang Manuel. Okay, number 2.
Discover new things that light you up. Ito naman, na-discover ko siya a couple of years ago. Although, feeling ko, it was more of an activity, more of connected siya sa una. Yung pagluluto, mas naging confident ako sa pagluluto, pag-experiment ng bagong cuisine, or just to be able to cook for the family na ngayon over the past couple of years. I don't think I would have been as confident to cook for our extended family as well kung wala ka. Kasi sobrang encouraging mo talaga eh. Pinagyayabang mo pa.
Ipagyayabang kita sa mga langga na nakikinig.
Hindi pa ako nagigisa.
Mga langga, pag na-meet nyo kami, itong misis ko, hindi related yung dinner sa lunch.
Ano daw?
Hindi ito nagre-recycle.
Oy, grabe ganito siya. Sabihin nila maarte ako. Uy.
Ganito yan. Kanina, ang lunch namin, Korean.
Oo.
Korean.
Oo.
Para siyang galbitang na hindi ko maintindihan. Ano tawag doon?
Oxtail. Basta yung oxtail soup.
Basta ganun. Tapos may kimchi. Oo. Mga ganun ako. Mga ganun ako. Habang kumakain, sarap eh. Ganun. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Ang init, ang sarap. Ganun talaga yung reaction ko. Tapos kaninang dinner, Italian naman tayo. Tama ba? Italian ba yun?
Oo, cacio e pepe.
Cacio e pepe? Di ba? Ba't ka natatawa? Cacio e pepe.
Balik ka nga sa boys night out mo.
Langga, wala akong alam mo, naniniwala ako sa kasabihan. Kung sino nag-iisip ng bastos, siyang bastos. At ikaw yun ngayon.
Wala akong sinasabi.
Ba't ka tumatawa?
Kasi tumatawa ka din.
Cacio e pepe lang naman sinabi ko.
Oo nga, balikan mo yung recording. Ikaw yung una tumawa. Sinasabi mo lang
talaga.
Which is an Italian dish, by the way. It's not that easy, It's to make a creamy sauce just out of cheese, black pepper, and pasta water.
So, yun. So, yun yung kanya. So, sinuport ko siya. Mas nakilala ko na, okay, dyan pala siya nakaka-relax. Kasi dati nga, pinipigilan ko siya magluto. Gusto ko siya mag-relax lang. And then, one of the newest activities, if you are following us, of course, at Brother Jeric.
Right.
One of the new activities that I discovered, new pastimes, is, I mean, it's a new thing that lit me up, which is the
Kasi
coffee.
Si Jeric naman, ever since before, mahilig siya sa kape. Tapos na-discover niya yung love niya for espresso when we first got married, when we went to Italy for the people blessing.
Hindi naman ako mahilig sa kape. I mean, I'm a casual coffee drinker.
Yun nga, pero
when we went to Italy,
na-discover mo na masarap pala siya.
At saka I was so super wala akong kaalam-alam sa kape to the point na tinatanong ko, nasan yung Starbucks? Nagkagalit yung mga Italian sa akin kasi nga, hello, wala ngang Starbucks sa Italy.
Oo.
Diba? Kasi nga,
tapos,
diba,
a couple of years, tapos last year lang ba yun?
Last year,
a year ago, nag-start lang siya through
a friend,
and then it just expanded and expanded.
Actually, I was so interested already to do the different methods of coffee, but I didn't want to dive into it till I bought all the stuff for the podcast.
So, dini mo pa rin.
Hindi. Talagang iniisip ko naman. Then,
so, mga langga, kung kilala nyo kami or if you've come to our home before, ito yung nangyayari ngayon. Ito yung if we invite you over for a meal. So, ako magluluto. Then afterwards, then he would brew. Kahit gabi, magbrew pa rin siya ng kape.
Ang nangyari naman dito, it became a shared activity. Kasi si Apple yung taste test ko. Tapos I calibrate my taste, yung the things that I do sa kape.
Magla-latte art siya.
And now, napapaturo na rin si Apple. In no time this year, I believe that Apple can be an AeroPress champion. Kasi that's her preferred way to brew.
For now, hindi ko pa na-try kasi yung iba.
But I think that you would do great there. So please join the AeroPress competitions.
No thanks.
But again, discovering new dreams kasi can help us energize and give you something to hold on to. Di ba, nagiging sticking thing yan sa relationship niyo.
Oo.
It
gives you something new to talk about. It gives you something new to learn.
To be excited about, to look forward.
Exactly. Something na, it's something new na kaya namin pag-usapan ni Jeric na hindi lang yung mga bata, hindi lang yung mga kailangan sa grocery list, hindi lang yung mga consumables sa bahay. It gives us something new to discover about each other and about ourselves.
Exactly. Take your time din in exploring. Huwag kayo matakot tulad ni Apple. Hindi naman siya sabi nga niya,
naman na ako mag-hike. So, pwede na tayo mag-hike.
Wait,
hindi na. So, pwede na tayo mag-physical activity, like to explore nature outside our home.
Yes, we can because I can bring my lunchbox with me. Again, mga langga, kasi we have to work together.
And to cheer one another.
Yes.
Malaking bagay din yun. Kunwari, nung si Jeric, nung start siya mag-homebrew, wala akong alam-alam doon. Pero alam ko, sinasabi niya sa akin, malaking bagay. Pag sinusupport ko siya, chine-cheer ko siya, na hindi ko siya...
Na-appreciate ko talaga yung sabi niya na, Langga, I appreciate you talaga making coffee. Tapos nakikita ko, malamig din kape.
Wag ka. Nagtulak ako ng sofa. Nag-rearrange ako ng sala. Sinabi ko, mamaya na ako mag-iinom kasi kakatulak ko lang ng sofa
hindi lang
natin.
Yun. Minsan talaga mag-brew pa ako ng V60. Nag-grind ko pa yan. Maya yun, nandun, kalahati. Meron pa.
Hindi ko kasi bet yung bean.
cheer na cheer. Lovely cheers.
Ay, hindi. Binababaan ko kasi yung temperature. Kasi lumalabas yung acidity.
Wow! Pero
totoo naman yun.
Super na-appreciate ko na. Yun nga, we cheer and support one another. I've yet to find ko ano talaga. Means, yun nga, cooking yung kay Apple.
At the moment, oo.
Pag may gusto siyang bilhin na gamit, kahit nagpapaalam pa siya or may bagong flour na gusto niyang i-discover, go! I mean, ba't ka ba nagpapaalam? Kasi may iba, kung ako, iba't iba yung beans ko, siya iba't iba yung harina.
Wag ka. I believe in potato starch at the moment. Potato starch ako at the moment. Okay. So, number 2. So, discover new things that light you up. Number 3. Communicate openly and honestly about your dreams. Dito kami, hindi nahihirapan kay Jerry kasi napaka-open niya, napaka-honest niya sa pag-communicate.
Nahihiya ako diba? Nahihiya pa akong i-open up sa'yo. Tapos, yun, gumawa ko our wish list na. Dati nakahiwalay pa Ngayon may access na siya sa mga gusto ko.
True. At yung nag-share kami ng Amazon Wish and ng Amazon account. Kaya pag may mga binabrowse siya, lumalabas din. Keep browsing for. Mga ganyan.
Oo, nakikita niya. I mean, now, hindi na ako nahihiya. I mean, bakit pa? I mean, lampas na ako sa budget. Charot.
Ay, nako.
Anyway,
pero kasi, it's also hard for you to pursue this dream of yours kung itatago mo sa asawa mo. Kasi it's something na you're keeping from your spouse.
Kung meron kang gusto na individual dream, tanungin mo siya, baka willing naman siyang support. Kasi minsan naisip ng mag-asawa na, baka sabihin niya, akin lang to. Kasi pwede ko sabihin na, may dream ako ng isang grinder. As, baka isipin ni Apple, ako lang may gusto nito. Pero, then talk to her. Kaya nung isang araw, sabi ni Apple, kang hirap pala mag-hand grind, no? Parang maganda talaga nung may electric grinder sa bahay. Sabi ko, you finally got my dream.
After 7-8 months of talking to me, kailangan ko pala ma-experience yung mag-grind ng beans ng sarili ko na wala siya sa bahay. Hirap po. My wrists are quite sensitive.
So be open with each other. Yung lesson dito, you have to be open with each other about what you'd like to accomplish. Then figure out how you will be able to help each other to make it happen. Kasi pwede naman kayo mag-take turn sa dream
Oo. You can also take turn, for example, if one of the spouses has a dream to be able to study, it will take constant communication, open support from the other spouse, especially if you have children. Paano kung mag-aalaga paano mo i-handle yung mga requirements yun pag may pasok yung asawa mo, pag may
ikaw
klase.
Ikaw ba kakausap sa mag-aalaga?
Exactly.
O ako pa?
Exactly. Diba? Or kung may World of Coffee sa Trade Center at kailangan mag-leave, sino yung mag-aalaga ng mga bata? Ay, wait. Normal pala ako yung nag-aalaga ng bata. Wala nag-ibi. Parang pumasok ka lang umuwi ka lang na maaga.
Late pa rin nga
Late pa rin.
Anyway, whatever the case, communicating will help you both figure out ano yung mga adjustments na dapat yung gawin. Totoo. Kasi importante yun na nag-uusap talaga kayo.
True. It could be then. I mean, malaking bagay din yun kasi it will help you to pace yourself then in reaching your dream kasi baka mamaya ibubuhos mo yung buong sarili mo sa dream na yun. Paano si Jeric? What if he like made ubos like all of our funds into this dream of discovering his perfect brewing style in buying all kinds of gadgets.
Kasi seasons din naman yung mga dreams by the way. Biro mo nag-invest ka na sobra.
Hindi pala, 'di ba?
So ang ulam mo na lang kanin at kape na lang yung kinakain mo.
No, but it also helps kasi it helps in pacing yourselves. You serve as an accountability partner for each other, 'di ba? And then as you navigate through this time, to this season of discovering, of learning, it also helps you to, kasi it may be that your individual dreams, minsan pag hindi ka aware, nawawalan yung alignment mo sa dreams yung dalawang mag-asawa.
Baka yung specific dream mo lang, ikaw lang may dream nun. Ina-assume mo na, hindi, makakabuti din to sa amin. If I take this opportunity, let's say job opportunity.
Right.
If I take this opportunity, hindi ko na kailangan i-discuss sa kanya kasi makakabuti to sa amin. Biruin mo, times 3 yung sweldo ko. Hindi nyo na pag-usapan. Yun naman pala, hindi naman pala yung times 3 ang kailangan nyo. Ang kailangan nyo sapat na. Ang kailangan nyo mas mag-times 3 sa intimacy.
True.
Diba?
Tama.
Kasi pwedeng ganun Parang pwede ka ma-blind na ng version ng dream mo if you do not discuss it with the other.
Exactly. na if we forget, especially if we're married, na yung mga individual dreams, not to dismiss it, but we also have to understand that once we got married, pati yung mga dreams natin, kailangan i-marry din.
Yan. Diba? I-marinate
sa soy sauce and mirin.
So, hindi, importante talaga yung mga langga to be serious. Kasi we all find, especially for those who are seeking marriage na ikakasal pa lang, this is a kind of unsolicited advice, let's say. Kailangan, willing ka na mawala yung ibang dreams. Pero, nung kami pumasok sa kasal, naisip ko na may mawala man, alam ko matatransform ito into something beyond what I can imagine.
Amen.
Because I am working together with someone who's giving her whole life to me, and me giving my whole life to her.
Amen.
What can we not accomplish together? Something bigger than my individual dreams. Diba?
Tama.
Yun yung pinanghahawakan ko. And looking at this, as we discuss this, pwede nga may mga bumalik nga, may mga umusbo nga the podcast, my work in Halo right now.
Exactly.
Those are some of the dreams that I've forgotten.
True.
And when we were reflecting, Apple and I, we were reflecting on it, pinapangarap lang natin to. Pinapangarap ko lang to noon na ibigay. In a form that I can never imagine.
Exactly.
And the same way, yung sitwasyon namin ngayon kay Apple from working from home, this was a long dream.
Yeah, I used to cry every day going to work.
She was, actually, before pa tayo magkaanak, sabi mo pa nga, is there a way kaya na nasa bahay, and then, nasa bahay tayo, and then, I can still earn what I earn?
Yeah, this is before when I got pregnant.
Yeah.
Right? I was pregnant with our
parang
eldest.
Parang gusto kong sa bahay lang.
Kasi hindi ko kaya eh. Hindi ko kaya na iwanan yung when I was pregnant, na iwanan yung bata na yung baby namin. But the Lord still provided, I believe that when you dream as individuals, hindi naman itatanggal ng Diyos na if He's not gonna give it something better for you to grow, not only as individual, but also you together as a family, because it should align to the vow that you made at the altar. Diba?
So yun mga langga, be prepared. Be prepared to steward the time that He has given you. And the dreams that He has planted into your heart. He has planted it. It doesn't mean na overnight usbong.
True.
Diba?
Overnight usbong.
Overnight shoot. Diba? I mean, kasi planting takes time as well. Growing the plant, taking root, bearing fruit.
And if that seed hasn't taken root yet because it wasn't being nourished properly, and this is the part of the dreaming together as a couple, siguro na-plant na yung seed sa puso nyo. Pero you also just needed yung spouse mo at ikaw to be able to nourish that seed then for it to grow fruit in your relationship and in your marriage as well.
So mga langga, January pa lang, simulan na natin i-revisit ang resolution na hindi lang pagpaplano sa darating na bukas, darating na mga buwan, ito rin ay pagbabalik tanaw sa nakaraan.
To turn back. Look back.
If only I could turn back time. Maganda.
Dreaming
of you tonight. Ano, dumalam. So this is me, Jeric.
And this is Apple.
Always reminding you.
Napalangga.
Kasan Diyos.
Amen. See you next week.
Bye.